Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you. A game-changing guide on how to banish those pesky facial pimples and achieve clearer skin in just 7 days. Whether you're dealing with occasional breakouts or persistent acne, we've got you covered. I'm Emma, and let's dive right into it. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. First things, cleanse your face twice a day with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser. This helps remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities without stripping your skin. Gently massage the cleanser in circular motions, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Hydration. Hydration is key. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Apply it morning and night after cleansing. Well-hydrated skin can help prevent excessive oil production that can lead to acne. Step 3. Spot treatment. For those stubborn pimples, a spot treatment with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid can work wonders. Apply a small amount directly onto the pimple before bedtime. These ingredients help to reduce inflammation and fight acne-causing bacteria. Step 4. Exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin gently to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. Choose a mild exfoliator with small, rounded beads. Massage it onto damp skin using light pressure, then rinse off. Don't overdo it. Exfoliate only 2 to 3 times a week. Step 5. Balanced diet. You are what you eat. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supports healthy skin. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, as they can contribute to breakouts. Remember, a healthy body reflects healthy skin. Step 6. Stay hydrated. Drink up. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin hydrated from the inside out. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Herbal teas and infused water are also great choices. Hydrated skin is less prone to inflammation and acne. Step 7. Hands off. Last but not least, keep your hands off your face. Touching your face transfers dirt and bacteria, leading to breakouts. Also, avoid popping pimples. It can worsen inflammation and cause scarring. Bonus tips. Clean your makeup brushes regularly to prevent bacteria buildup. Change your pillowcases and sheets at least once a week. Choose oil-free and non-comedogenic makeup products. If you wear sunscreen, which you should, opt for a non-greasy facial sunscreen. And there you have it, our 7-day guide to achieving clearer skin and saying goodbye to those acne facial pimples. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this routine and be patient with your skin. Each step we discussed works together to create a healthier complexion. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare advice. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and be confident in your beautiful skin.